Right here, we have Jimbo's Pure Magic Cleaner. And a lot of times people always say, can you use this on a neglected wheel? And I've officially got one. It's just more not really neglected by the owner. He is the secondhand owner of this vehicle. And the last time we detailed this vehicle was last year in the winter when he came over, and he still had all this. We tried to use a heavy wheel and tire cleaner, iron remover, and it didn't come out. But we still have all these rust spots and deep etchings in here. We're gonna use Jimbo's Pure Magic Cleaner and see how well it is. And this is a 2014, what is it? Charger, right? 2014? Avenger, a 2014 Avenger. So the owner is astonished on how the other wheel came out. And I just wanna do a quick 1 or 2 minute video on this Pure Magic Cleaner. Not gonna use a pressure washer. I'm not gonna use a hose. I'm just gonna spray it down with rinse and wash to neutralize the cleaner afterwards. And that's it. Gonna let this dwell for about a minute. And I'm not being cheap with this. If you buy the gallon, it costs about $100 for the gallon, but it is dilutable. And the dilution ratio I have here, I think is a 1 to 3. Believe it or not. I do have it a little bit stronger than what he recommends as a 1 to 4. But that's about it. You spray this on, let it dwell, and it is eating that brake dust. It is eating it away. You want to let it dwell for about a minute, 30 seconds to a minute, he recommends. And I got the instructions right here, or directions. So for 30 to 60 seconds. So it's been about 30 seconds. Got my wheel bucket in here, and we're gonna start agitating this wheel. And when you bought this car, the rim was just like this, right?
The rim was like that, yeah.
Right? The rim was just like this, because I remember seeing it, and that was the first concern you bought. Yeah, it's melting off. Remember you tried other stuff you said and it wasn't coming off like this?
Yeah.
So.
I mean, you know, I was thinking that maybe a pressure washer had to be done to it just to get over the dirt and grime. But
Now
it's coming right off.
it's coming right off. And this been like this for a while already. So I don't want a lot of people to think that he just dirtied it up. It's been like this since he got the car. How long you got this car? How long ago? 2 years already. Look at that. 2 years, and he's never seen his rim as clean as this. It's always been just like this. So once that's done, I'm gonna grab the rinseless wash and rinse down everything. Plus the water pretty much neutralized everything else. But I'm using the rinseless wash to hose down all of this and neutralize the cleaner. Next up, just grabbing the microfiber towel, agitating any small other areas that's left. We will see how this wheel comes out. And if you see any oranging or stuff on the brake pads, you already know that all you really need to do is just run the car forward, slam on the brakes, and let the disc do the work. Your brake disc. This is a 2014 Avenger. That's just for complete context. This is all real time. Here's the rim. All right, Victor, you wanna come take a look on how it looks now? Right.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah. It's all coming. It's all connected.
Right. So there it is, Jimbo's Pure Magic Wheel Cleaner, or Pure Cleaner.